your boy finally found Crocs. The right size at that. Now, I always wanted black Crocs. The Crocs that I bought online a year ago, they were too goddamn big. They were size 12. And I'm glad that I went to the mall to try them on to see and feel if these are my right size. So, and then the Crocs I bought last year is not only they were too big, but it's the ones that don't have the strap in the back of in the back of the heel. It's like it looked like a shoe. It looked like a work boot. But these right here, I got these at the mall at JD Sports, and I can't believe I could fit them a size 10. I can't believe I could fit a size 10 in Crocs, because I'm thinking if I wouldn't have tried these on it at the store, I would have got them online size 11. I don't think they go by halves. I'm gonna say 11 or 12, but size 10 fit perfect. All right, so here we go. There we go. Your boy got a size 10 in classic Crocs. Man, this is a sexy shoe. Made in Mexico. Size 10. I can't believe it. But your boy fit them, man. And I basically bought these to wear them at work. On the way to work, because I already have my work boots, at work already. So, leaving the house, I just slide these on and I just hit the dope and go. So yeah, man, I've been wanting Crocs, and I paid $50 for them too. So they look dope. Now I see they got the other kind with the soft material in the inside, and I didn't want to get those just in case they get wet. And my son, he had a pair of those, and he said, "Dad, you might not want to mess with those, man, because when they get wet, you're in trouble." So, you got that smell, and that I don't know, but he just said, "You got the right one." So, yeah, man. If anybody out there have these, have good experience, bad experience, just drop it down in the comment section. I like to hear about it. But I'm a big fan of Crocs, and I tried to get Yeezy slides one time, but your boy just never hit on them. But yeah, man, that's about it. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, just double tap the thumbs down button. Alright? And share, leave a comment, any questions, I will answer. I will respond back. Alright? So, do you like these or they trash? Do you have a pair? Did you pass? Let your boy know down in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.